Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot using button method in your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. Here, I would like to take a screenshot from one of my website called facultyon.com. So I go to Google Play Store and I went to my website facultyon.com. This is the page I need a screenshot. So by using power button and volume down button, you can take a screenshot. I will show it. Just press power button and volume down button together. Power button is on right side of your phone, volume down button is on left side of your phone. Just press them together to take a screenshot. You have to simultaneously press it. Yes, screenshot is taken. Again I show it. Use power button and volume down button together. Yes, in this way you can easily take a screenshot using button method. To locate the screenshot file, just go to the files here and click on internal storage and go to pictures folder and go to screenshots folder, and here you can see the screenshots. Latest screenshots will be here. Yes, in this way you can easily take a screenshot and also locate the screenshot file in your phone. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.